South No Prep in Mississippi with Mike Murillo. We're going to ask him a few questions about the car, see how his plans are for the year. He runs our HPL oil, see how long he's been running that and enjoying that. So Mike, thanks for having us here.
You're welcome. Well, thanks for coming here.
Yeah, and taking care of us and letting us know how you know, if there's anything you need while we're here.
I need a win.
I need a win.
I need a win.
Yeah.
You know, take care of that for me.
Yeah. Well, hey, you got Precision Turbos on here,
right.
so.
I got all the good parts.
How long have you been running Precision Turbos?
You know, I went to Turbo when I finally saw the lights. I went to Turbo in 99.
Okay.
I want to say since 99. It's always been Precision.
Okay.
Never been anybody else.
Nobody else?
Nope.
So true diehard Precision Turbo fan.
Since 1999, that shows my age. It's a bad thing.
And you're also running our turbochargers, blow-off valve injectors, and HPL oil. So how do you like the HPL
You know, I just found out the last race that I was changing the oil too often.
Okay.
Because I'm used to changing it every 5 to 7 passes.
And you can
HPL,
extend
you
it.
don't do that.
Yeah, you can extend it.
And then we got a cool little deal that we learned about that you know, because what contaminates our oil is alcohol. And so we got a little probe. And I think you might have taken a video of it earlier, but Art sells it. But you know, it just plugs into our tank.
Yep.
And then we just basically boil the alcohol out of it.
Okay.
And it works great. And so,
Perfect.
and before I started using that, the alcohol will dilute the oil, and I notice my oil pressure dropping and dropping and dropping. Well, now when I do that, now it stays pretty much consistent, the same. Yeah.
That's awesome.
So this is, I think, the 9th or 10th pass on the oil.
Okay.
So yeah, it'll last a lot longer.
Lasts a lot longer. And with the Dirty Prep,
Dirty South, no prep.
Dirty South No Prep.
A lot of dirty stuff around here. I'm used to that.
How long have you been doing this event?
This is our 3rd season.
Okay.
Yes.
What's the car counts like each event?
Well, you know, normally we have, in Big Tire, we have anywhere from 16 to 21, 22 cars. I think 22 might have been our biggest. In a small tire, we normally have an average of 18 to 26.
Okay.
And so, you know, we're expecting the same here this weekend.
Well, and we're going to have great weather this weekend.
Yes.
So
yes.
no rain.
Yeah, all the bad
nothing.
weather has already gone through a couple days ago. And so, yeah, it should be a great weekend. The temperature's awesome. So.
Yeah, 70 degrees, sunny,
Yes,
beautiful.
beautiful.
Well, I appreciate you taking this.
Thank you. Very
Thanks
nice
for
to meet
coming
you.
You as well.